Hey YouTube, how's it going? Well, I noticed that so far nobody has correctly guessed yesterday's quote, and I have already in the comments of yesterday's video given a clue in that this movie in particular does feature Gary Busey as one of its actors. And so because nobody's guessed it so far, I'm going to put another day on that and give people another chance and so on. And I'm also going to throw out another hint. That movie also features Margot Kidder, long after Superman, that is. So give it a shot, see what you come up with. It's a good movie, I'll tell you that. Okay, for today's quote, this one I think actually ought to be reasonably easy. And it is, you'd better hurry, you've only got about 50 years. Let me know what you think. In the meanwhile, I've been searching for a sound effect, or a way to make a particular sound effect. This sound effect is intended to be very much like the sound effect that is used in the Stargate SG-1 TV series when the Stargate opens, that kawoosh sound. Now, I know that sound is on YouTube and it's on websites all over the internet, but the problem is that in every case it's pretty much the same sound. It's something that's been ripped out of the soundtrack of the TV series, and as such it's well, it's got copyrighted music behind it. And I grant you it's probably only a few notes, but that doesn't matter. It's got copyrighted music running behind it because it was lifted out of the TV series, and as such I can't use it in anything. So what I'm looking for is some clues or ideas how to create a sound like that. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, as long as it's at least close, an appropriate kawoosh type sound for a Stargate opening. If anybody has any ideas, I'd really appreciate it. And I guess that's about it for today, so take it easy. I'm out of here.